Can you guys see that out there? That's NFT on a trailer. So, as you guys see in the last video, everything was good with NFT. New head, new turbo, did a little test run around the block, 30 PSI, everything seemed good. So today is dyno day. So got done getting the car loaded up. Got off work a little early, knocked some stuff out. So head over here to the dyno and see what's gonna go on. So hopefully we can put down those 4 digits. That's the goal, that's the goal, that's the plan. So once we get over here to the dyno, we'll set the cameras up. Hopefully we can put on a show. A little nervous for today. We'll see. Hopefully it goes good. First dyno pull out the way. That was just on wastegate. But wastegate, I crept up a little bit. You'll be able to see this here. Let me see here. Yeah, it was like 29-ish pounds. And then it crept up to 40 pounds. Airfields are pretty good. About 12.0, around 20 pounds, but it creeps down to like 11.0, 10.8 by the end of the pull. And I was to like 9,200. So first pull, everything was pretty good. So she got a little warm, so we're gonna let it cool down and then we'll do another rip. Warm.
I feel like you do that every time.
The first one had me nervous. The anxiety was up a little bit. it like it held 40 pretty much, and I'm better. Give us another 50.
There's a lot of pressure at.
It's irrelevant right now.
Oh yeah, I guess so.
Yeah. It's irrelevant. Like I just for shits pulled it up, pulling pressure. I mean, look, I think it's way down here. Dyno pull 2. Everything went good. We gave it 5% more duty. 5% more duty on the boost controller. This time it kind of held 40 psi. So we made, I don't know, you can't really see. Can I zoom in? You can't zoom in. But it made 705 on that one with 5% more duty. But it didn't really like, we didn't really peak out any more boost. It just kind of came up to 40 and it like flatlined at 40. So it's kind of going over everything here. You can see that's the boost, kind of came up, leveled out. And we take it to like 92-ish again. Let's see what how the air fuels look.
Well, looks like you're coming around there. Looks like it's coming around. That's good. Man.
Yeah, it's so far.
That's always a good sign.
Yeah, 2 pulls so far. They look good. So
Yeah.
air fuels are great. Yep, I didn't touch no fuel.
It's pretty good actually.
Yeah.
Especially when you're using a hard boost, 10-8.
Oh yeah, it's like 12.0 at 25 pounds. I don't really like.
So when you get on the hard boost, like 35 or above, that's where it matters.
Yeah. So once we get up to 36, it's down to 11. So that's why I'll focus. So everything's looking good. So again, we'll let the car cool down and do another rip. Yeah, we're gonna drain the oil this time.
Looks like we're at 875.
Whew. My anxiety is like up today. Got me shaking.
Fucking blew everything off.
What do you mean? This is your best time. This is your best so far.
The last time I saw she was bad until you must have two-stepped in the parking lot.
Right?
I ain't touched first gear. That's still at 0. I learned my lesson on that one. I'm messing with that duty cycle. So yeah, peak was 52. Not bad, 52. Came down a little bit.
So it went from, so your first inertial was how many duty cycle? Or how much duty cycle was in it? As far as the number?
It went wastegate, 50% duty cycle, and then 20% duty cycle. So it's pretty much every 5% is like 10 pounds. Technically wastegate should have been 30. I don't know why it hit 40 on duty on wastegate, but then 15% was 40 pounds, and then 20% was 50 pounds. Yeah,
25% should be 55 technically?
no, 60.
60? Like 10% every 5, 10 pounds every 5%.
Yeah. But if I remember right, last time we were dynoing, once we got above 20%, I was having to give it more duty cycle to run more boost. So like after 20%, it stopped giving that like 10 pounds because
those fucking tiny wastegates.
Well, yeah, it's having to combat that pressure in the manifold more, so it's got to supply. So you got to give more duty.
Is it going to be bigger wastegates or CO2?
But hey, that was 875 at 50 pounds. I bet you we hit 55 pounds, we may crack over.
Should be. Because I think we were doing like 830s. 830 at 55 pounds.
Yeah, and then 60 and 58 pounds was the 919.
How's it feel though? One more run?
Barely taken down in the field, actually. First runs.
Air feels getting better too. I mean, obviously the engine's liking the more air when that rich is, so. I still got this thing. I figured it would, it is a little leaner. We were getting into like 10.6s on the other turbo.
And now, a word from our sponsors. Are you having exhaust problems? Maybe a slight exhaust leak? Come down to Exhaust Pro. He'll get you taken care of.
She's plugging in your shop.
So now a word from our sponsor.
That's funny. All right, so was this third pull? Yeah, third pull. 20% duty cycle is roughly about 50 psi. Made 875, 611. Well, I'll have to ask him to put up the sweep, but it looked pretty good. Pretty happy so far. Car's doing great. 0 hiccups, clean pulls, air feels are good, everything's good. So this finally may be it. Good dyno session. Good dyno session.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
Just happened so quick. I'm like bouncing between boost and air fuel, and then I'm watching RPMs. Dyno pull, was this 4?
Yeah.
Next gen, Dyno pull 4, next gen. 908.
So like 53 pounds, 54 pounds. Definitely wasn't 60 pounds.
RPM. Manifold pressure. Oh, 55. Yep, 55. Damn, 3 more PSI gave us 35 more horse. And it just kind of flatlined. Gold. It was a little leaner, I gotta start adding some fuel now. Yeah, it's getting up there to where it's starting to move more air than I got fuel. Alright, dyno pool number 4. That is about, peak was 55.7 psi. By the end of the pool it dropped down to like 53. But we made 908. I'll show you that in a second. But air fuels are starting to get starting to lean out a little bit, so we're gonna have to put some fuel in it, starting to move some air up top. So 4th pull, everything's still looking good though. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Now a word from our sponsors. Oil pressure is great.
No, I would
And the
commercial break.
ignition angle is juicy. So again, we'll tweak the tune a little bit, add some fuel, let it cool down, and then we'll do another rip. I don't know, something with the transmission.
Oh my god.
Lost third and fourth gear.
What?
Son of a...
Oh well, hey, engine's good.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Something's up with my whenever the slider shift over something from Which third gear is feeling kind of weird. I don't know if you just heard about what that is in third gear just now.
Alright. Come on.
We're done.
Yeah.
I think we're gonna have transmission issues. Yeah, we can't do a second gear pull. Ah, dang it, people. Well, it's gone. But we made 909 on the fourth pull, but now we're having, we lost third and fourth. I don't know. We're just getting ready to do another pull. Went to go shift in a third, heard a loud clunk. So I'm guessing it's the slider on third and fourth because they're obviously on the same rail. But third and fourth doesn't engage now, so. Third gear's been feeling kind of weird as I was driving around. This last month started doing the test pulls with all the head gasket issues. But, I mean, what can you do? You know, pull the tranny apart and see. So pull the tranny apart and see what's up with it.
At least that's easy enough.
Yeah. Well, and two, Mark down at PP or GP1, he's got all the DSM dog box stuff, so. But that's it. Motor's great. The engine is fine. We did not get to put down 4 digits. The transmission didn't want to last one more time. So hopefully the gears and stuff are good, and I don't know, maybe something just came out. But hey, we got first and second gear. We can work on our short track.
we can launch real quick.
Yeah, we can launch in a second. So, but anyways, that's gonna do it for this video, you guys. So we'll get the car home, get it tore apart, and let you guys know what happened there. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share it. NFT, the engine's running good. Now we're having transmission issues. So thank you guys. Catch you next time.